Hello, welcome back to a new episode. Today I've got an amazing tutorial. So I'm going to play advanced chords for both beginners and intermediates.
To all new members, hit the like and the subscribe button. Now without talking much, let me first play the melody, then show you the tutorial. Let's dive straight on the tutorial now. The Wastahili part. Still in 1, then 4, 2, 1. So then this passing chord going to the 6. Then we play the E major chord, then to the 5. Now this is how we play the 3. Going to the 4, 2, D diminished. Let me repeat the tutorial slowly. So we start with the 1 that way, going to the 4, then we play the 2, back to the 1, D diminished, to the 6. Then we play this minor chord. Left hand you play the 2, right hand you play the minor chord. Now we go to the 5. Now you play this passing chord going back to the 1. We do it again for the last time now. So we start with from the 1, going to the 4, 4, then the D diminished chord. You can play the D diminished or the 2 to the 1, D diminished chord, 6, that minor chord to the 5, and then the passing chord to the 1, that way. Now the second part of the song, 3, 4, 2, D diminished, 1, utukufu there.
Wastahili Ewe Bwana Ewe Bwana, Wastahili Ewe Bwana, Wastahili Ewe Bwana, kupo